Hello, future CPAs. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Accounting Lessons with BCB. Sir Brian here again. Today, we will now discuss the last portion of employee benefits under PAS 19. So this will also be the last lecture video for the topic employee benefits. Also, I provided all the links of the previous accounting lecture videos for employee benefits in our description. Okay? So yes, we can now start our last lecture video. Okay, so dito muna tayo kay other long-term employee benefits. Other long-term employee benefits covers all other employee benefits not classified as short-term, post-employment, or termination benefits. So kumbaga, residual definition na lang talaga si other long-term employee benefits. Tandaan nyo yan. No? So kung ang particular employee benefit, hindi siya maklasify na short-term, post-employment, or termination, dito ang bagsak niya sa category na to. What is the nature of this category? These benefits are expected to be settled, take note, beyond 12 months, no? Beyond 12 months after the reporting period. That's why long-term employee benefits siya kasi ang term natin dyan is beyond 12 months. Okay? What are the examples of other long-term employee benefits? Diyan papasok sila long-term paid absences such as sabbatical leave, jubilee, or other long service benefits. So under this category, how do we account all amounts related to other long-term employee benefits? As per IAS 19, all amounts will be recognized in profit or loss. No? Wala na tayong OCI pagdating kay long-term employee benefits. Okay? Wala nang OCI. Although the procedures na ginagawa natin tulad sa defined benefit plan, na-apply pa rin siya dito. Kaso yun nga, wala nang OCI portion. No? Lahat ng amounts, service cost, interest, actuarial gains and losses, nasa profit or loss under this category na. Unless na lang kung may ibang accounting standard na nagsasabing wag i-expense yan, paki-include yan sa cost ng asset. So examples would be IS2, si inventories, IS16, si property, plant, and equipment, tama? Ayan, and other accounting standards. Okay? Yan. So that's for the third category of employee benefits. Next, fourth category, termination benefits. Pag sinabi nating termination benefits, this result from either of the following. Number one, an entity's decision to terminate the employment. Ibig sabihin, tinanggal niya yung empleyado. No? That is called employment termination. Or, an employee's decision to accept an entity's offer of benefits in exchange for the termination of employment. Kunwari, si company nag-offer kay employee, kailangan ka namin tanggalin kasi nalulugi na yung company, kailangan namin magtanggal ng isang empleyado, ikaw yung napili namin. O, huwag ka malungkot kasi bago ka umalis, bibigyan ka namin ng mga benefits, no? Just in exchange for your employment termination, no? So if the employee accepted that offer, that benefit given, those benefits given will be classified as termination benefits. Okay? Next. The event that gives rise to an obligation for termination benefits is the employment termination rather than employment services. In our previous lecture videos, diniscuss natin doon ay mga short-term employee benefits, post-employment benefits. They are all related to employment services. Si termination benefits lang ang hindi related sa employment services but related sa employment termination. Okay? So hanggat hindi ka tinatanggal ng company, hindi papasok ang concept ng termination benefits. Okay? Next. This excludes employee benefits resulting from termination of employment at the request of the employee or as a result of mandatory retirement requirements. Oh, dito sa first na sinabi, yung at the request of the employee, kapag si employee nag-submit ng resignation letter, ay hindi termination benefits yung ibibigay sa kanya, no? Ang mga benefits na ibibigay sa kanya is related to his or her employment services. So hindi siya pasok kay termination benefits. Number 2, yung mandatory retirement requirements naman, mag-fall naman yan sa post-employment benefits, not termination benefits. Okay? Kasi hindi naman siya tinanggal ng company. It is just a result of the mandatory retirement law. Di ba? Ayan. So pag kailangan na talaga mag-retire ni employee, hindi siya magfo-fall under termination benefits but rather sa sa post-employment benefits magfo-fall ang kanyang retirement benefits. Okay? Yeah. Let's now go to measurement. So dalawa yung categories natin na for termination benefits expected to be settled within 12 months after the reporting date, and for those termination benefits expected to be settled beyond 12 months. So for the first category, we will apply the concepts of short-term employee benefits because within 12 months naman pala yung expected settlement date. However, for the second category, since it is beyond 12 months, then we will apply the concepts of other long-term employee benefits. Okay? Yan. So those are the concepts for termination benefits. Last slide. This is already the last slide. Let's now reinforce the concepts on termination benefits. A company plans to close one of its branches in 3 months' time. There are 20 employees. Because the company wants to fill in some pending customer orders, the company offers its employees the following. Each employee who stays and render services until closure will receive a cash payment of 130,000. Letter B, employees leaving before closure of the branch will receive 40,000. Company expects that 5 employees will leave before closure. How much is the liability for termination benefits? How much is the short-term employee benefits? Okay. So, dalawa tanong sa atin. Termination benefits and short-term employee benefits. Now, magkano yung pinaka-maximum cash payment na matatanggap ng isang employee dito sa problem na to? Answer is 130,000. So, analyze natin si 130,000. Si 130,000, actually may dalawang laman yan, no? May dalawang laman yan. That is, number 1, the termination benefit and short-term employee benefit. Okay? Tandaan nyo, yung sa termination benefit, related yan doon sa pagpapatanggal na nung mga empleyado, no? So, alin dito sa mga amounts na nakasabi sa problem ang related sa termination benefits? Answer, yung nasa letter B. Employees leaving before closure of the branch will receive 40,000. So, ibig sabihin, whether si employee ay magpapatuloy hanggang magsara na talaga yung branch or umalis siya, may matatanggap agad siyang minimum benefit amounting to 40,000. So that's already your termination benefits. 40,000. Okay? Then for the short-term employee benefits, that is simply the difference between the total cash payment of 130,000 and termination benefits. So this is 90,000. Okay? Yan. Nakukuha nyo? Makukuha kasi itong 90,000 kapag yung empleyado nagpatuloy hanggang magsara yung branch. Pag umalis siya before the closure of the branch, 40K lang ang matatanggap niya. No? Nakukuha ba ako? Ayan. Now, for number 1, how do we answer this? how much is the liability for termination benefits? That is 40,000 times lahat ng empleyado. Lahat ng 20 empleyado, dahil tatanggalin sila, makakatanggap sila lahat ng minimum 40K. So 20 employees. So our answer for number 1, 40,000 times 20, the answer, 800,000. That's number 1. Okay? For number 2, how much is the short-term employee benefits? So para dyan, yung sagot natin sa number 2 ay related lang sa lahat ng mga empleyadong magpapatuloy sa hanggang magsara yung branch. Di ba? So ilan nga ulit yung employees natin? 20. The company expects that 5 will leave before closure. So ilang employees lang ang makakatanggap ng short-term employee benefits? 15. So the answer for number 2 is 90,000 times 15 employees. Sagot natin, 1,350,000. That's number 2. Clear? Okay? Yan. And that's already the end of our topic on employee benefits under PES 19. I hope na appreciate nyo ang discussion kahit mahaba si employee benefits, no? At saka marami siyang videos, no? So I hope panoorin nyo sila from start until the end. Okay? So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Accounting Lessons with BCB, to be notified of our new uploads. Thank you for watching, guys.